Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. Tim is in the pit. Again, Tim is in the pit. Your turn to read, children. The dog is on the log. Again, the dog is on the log. Your turn to read, children. Bim will fix the pen. Again, Bim will fix the pen. Your turn to read, children. Ben has a red bag. Again, Ben has a red bag. Your turn to read, children. The 6 chicks can sing. Again, the 6 chicks can sing. Your turn to read, children. The top can spin. Again, the top can spin. Your turn to read, children. Kim has a pin. Again, Kim has a pin. Your turn to read, children. Bella got a new toy. Again, Bella got a new toy. Your turn to read, children. The dog can dig a pit. Again, the dog can dig a pit. Your turn to read, children. Tim and Tom are pals. Again, Tim and Tom are pals. Your turn to read, children. The pig and the dog can run. Again, the pig and the dog can run. Your turn to read, children. A kid can hop and skip. Again, a kid can hop and skip. Your turn to read, children. Tom has a big red top. Again, Tom has a big red top. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. Tim is in the pit. The dog is on the log. Bim will fix the pen. Ben has a red bag. The 6 chicks can sing. The top can spin. Kim has a pin. Bella got a new toy. The dog can dig a pit. Tim and Tom are pals. The pig and the dog can run. A kid can hop and skip. Tom has a big red top. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.